Well, as we know, CB manufacturers are normally like fashion houses. They have a collection once or twice a year, and this is from President, I guess, end of year collection, because as you know, throughout history, President have always brought something at Christmas or just after Christmas, and the advertising began just before. So this is it, the facelifted Johnson II, 12 volts, 24 volts, all European norms, including India. ASC is standard, obviously, because it's a President, and all the goodies that you'd expect. Perfect now for truckers with the 24 volts, as you see, 12, 24. We'll be having a look at this one a little bit later because we're not home. So this is just a preview, as it were. Available from Marcus at Noina, Mike at Nevada, Radio Zing and all the usual suspects. Front-mounted speaker. As I understand, maybe new firmware, so on export it has 5s and 0s. Something I've been championing for 8-9 years, that export should do 5s and 0s. I think it's important, especially if you want to use it on the Polish channel, shall we say. It's the 0s are definitely needed. Memory channels, scan, dual watch, high cut, everything the President does. You can guarantee that the AM will be for sure pretty good. I'm not sure exactly how this goes into changing the frequency. There we go. So on with the F button. EU, India, UK, EC, D, PL, EU, India, blah, 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 blah. And I would say, personally, I think there's a different font. I'm going to select Indian channels, switch it off, switch it on, IN. I think there's a different font, how the numbers behave, buttons, and they go 27 channels. The buttons are more responsive than on the original Johnson. Feels a little bit better to the touch. So, maybe a little bit more than cosmetic changes. Also available is the Stabo XM5006E. We'll be back with this one a little later. Hopefully over the weekend we'll get some time and talk about it a little bit more. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye for now.